Hello, this is the daily Forex report for March 9th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair moved to the upside, did close up. We are looking for it to potentially go up and hit some resistance around 83.00, possibly moving down and hitting some support around 82.30. Now the Euro-USD pair, this particular pair closed up as well. Did break the previous session's low, but not by much. Didn't close by much up either. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 140.15, possibly as low as 137.80. Look for some resistance around 139.50 and look for some support around 138.35. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair moved to the upside, closed up. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 163.16, possibly as low as 160.65. Look for some resistance around 162.50 and look for some support around 161.25. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed down, did break the previous session's high by a decent amount. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 0.9423, possibly as low as 0.9189. Look for some resistance around 0.9399 and look for some support around 0.9225. Now, as far as news analysis go, we have the European Central Bank releasing the published monthly report for March at 4 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. We also have the Bank of England releasing their asset purchase targets for March at 7 a.m. Eastern. The consensus on that is that it's held at 200 billion. We also have the Bank of England releasing their rate decision tomorrow, their interest rate decision at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that they're going to hold rates at 0.50%. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, if you take a look at the US Swiss, we have this nice little trend line that's developing up. You can see here, it almost tagged it today, right about there. You can see we've hit it 1, 2, 3, now 4 times. We're very close to it. If we get a break to the downside, I do believe that it will drop, most likely down to this point, and we can grab a few pips out of that downward move of about 43 pips or so. Use a risk to reward of 1 to 1 and look for it to break that. It's fairly close to it now. If we get a break, at least 1 pip below that trend line, I do believe we'll see it come on down. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.